Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and we now do battlefield blunts. So we've got a Quillon Dagger here, and it is a lovely piece. Of course, we've got it in a leather sheath here, nice shape on the end, belt loop so that it stays where you left it. Not the traditional cords that we generally find on a dagger at this period, because they don't necessarily work quite so well on a battlefield, or at least a modern reenactment battlefield. So we've got a belt loop. And then we have the dagger itself. So we've got a lovely stout blade here. It's about 6.5mm, 1/4 of an inch thick at the hilt, but faceting down, fuller down the centre, and a distal taper all the way. But it's maintaining good edges of 2.5 to 3mm and a rounded point. So it's battlefield safe. Then we've got nice faceted pommel on here and a lovely little peen nut on the top here. So altogether, it's a really attractive dagger. The grip itself, I've made just a little bit longer than Quillon daggers generally would be in the medieval period, because I know you guys out there get obsessed with having enough room for your gauntlets and everything else. However, historically, it wouldn't be unusual to have a grip that kind of length and for the pommel to be sitting in the palm here. So even if your hands are a little bit bigger, it's still not wrong. It's still going to fit you. Lovely leather cord bound grip. So altogether, it is just a fantastic piece. But what's really important as well is it doesn't look horrible like so many battlefield daggers very often do. It's in proportion, it looks great, and it will look fantastic with all your kit. See ya.